Let's get to it, guys. We've got two areas that we're going to cover as usual. The first is going to be business update, and then a few comments on the stock action. Okay, so first point on this is I can't impress enough how important it is that we add great staff. Monday, we have another new employee starting. I think we have employees starting almost every week. It's been going on for months. Hopefully, will continue. But this one is a cool story. This guy started out as an AITX investor and pursued us with a particular skill set that the time was that we needed. And so, after going through our gauntlet of interviews and checks and so forth, we're very happy to welcome him on board. So he's going to start on Monday out of Detroit. So it's very, very cool. But that's continuing. As I said, I think we'll be close to 70 team members by the end of October, plus or minus. As we grow, we're able to focus the roles, tighten the roles, and really have staff specialize, which allows us to be more efficient and all the good things that you get from specialization. We're becoming really good at our roles, which is great for a company. At the same time, we have to balance being corporate and maintaining our can-do attitude. It's one of my biggest jobs, is making sure that we have that balance, and so far so good. And everybody should know, we have a team that helps me with these video updates and really assists us in everything that we do as a team. And our chief marketing officer, he said to me, he gave me a line for this update. He said, everyone contributes to their fullest and then they give more. And it's a cool line because it's very, very true. So we're really operating at high efficiency. I like saying that because from a company, almost 70 people, we really punch above our weight. More products, more software, more solutions, really than you would expect out of a company this size. And that's, I think, a strength of us, the strength of our company. So I'm happy to share that. A couple of our sales team were in Orlando at the big GSX show this week. And we either created or advanced 20 opportunities, 20 specific opportunities, in addition to dozens of other seeds planted. So that makes me really happy as well, because I just sent two guys to a show, low cost, high return. That's the kind of math that I like. So talking about that, we have 3 shows in October. 3 trade shows coming up in October as exhibitors. So GSX, we didn't exhibit, we just went as attendees because we know everybody in the industry. So just setting up meetings, pushing things forward. But these new shows in October, I think we're going to generate fresh leads, keep filling that sales funnel. So that's kind of cool. That's going to be a big month in October that way for sure. And then I think we've got a lot of things happening in November as well. So the world's opening up a little bit, and we're really trying to leverage that. Okay, so you probably saw a press release yesterday that we closed our first financial institution with a ROSA. Now it's funny because we have several banking opportunities in the funnel. Most of them are either in the Midwest or in the East of the United States, and this opportunity that closed came out of the West. So it was sales is funny that way. You never know what's going to pop first. So I'm really happy that we got that PO. Great client, great use cases, and hopefully it's the catalyst that pushes the rest of the industry to adopt our solutions, which I think will be helped by the ROSA 3.0 release. And talking about ROSA 3.0, obviously, or not obviously, but of course, it's going to be presented to the public on October 13th. And I've been thinking about the event. We've been planning for the event, trying to work it into our schedules because we still have regular work to do. We can't take all of our time to plan this event. And I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, this is a live event. I never really thought about the impact of having a live event because everything is always edited. And whenever you're watching TV and they say it's a live event, you're like, okay, great, it's a live event, but it always feels produced. I don't know what's going to happen. It almost feels like watching a NASCAR race where you're, maybe thinking there's going to be a crash, right? So I'm just saying, in my mind, as you see me on October 13th, I'm going to be hoping make sure none of the cars on our racetrack crash. So that'll be fun. Set your VCRs, 4 p.m. Eastern, October 13th. Okay, so moving on, Tuesday I'll be in New York, interview at Nasdaq, not with Nasdaq, but at Nasdaq. That's going to be fun. It'll be fun to walk the street of Wall Street and, just kind of cool. So we'll do some photos and, create some content based on that visit because it's cool, right? We're publicly listed companies that we get money from through Wall Street. That's how it works. So that'll be a cool little connection. Okay, last thing on my list. Listen, the stock action has been difficult. Okay, I know it, you know it, we all know it. I think that the buyers that we're attracting now, I really love everybody who's been buying, so thank you. We have to continue to build that base, and we're going to continue to really focus on that and work that. But I think that anybody who thinks that I might be satisfied with 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents is grossly mistaken. I'm looking for 50 cents. Everybody should know I'm personally motivated financially to get to 50 cents. I'm in the same boat as you are, related to the stock price that way. So that's what we're working towards. I hope we get there. We're working towards that. That's about all I can really say about it. But from what the company is doing on the larger scale, we know because we live it and we read about changing employment, about how the whole global employment scene is changing. We are a big part of that, or I want to be a big part of that. We know that machines that are AI enabled are going to be performing way more jobs than they do today. That's what AITX is all about. It's all about being part of that future, being a ubiquitous device that we see everywhere in 5 or 10 years, spanning a variety of industries and uses beyond security and the security and the facility industry. So that's really where we're going. That's the mission. That's the vision. I think it's worthwhile in every way, and ultimately, I think it'll be profitable for us and you in every way going forward. That's the goal. Last thing is, thank you all very, very much. Appreciate you. Look forward to meeting a few of you on October 13th. Let's stay in touch, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.